Roll up your sleeves to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. How willing are you to roll up your sleeves, to get your hands dirty, to dig in, help out wherever you need to when it comes to growing and building and supersizing your business? This idiom has been around since the mid 1800s, just like the last one we talked about, the up the ante, and it implies a willingness to get involved, get busy, get to work, get your hands dirty, whatever it takes in order to grow and build and supersize your business. When we roll up our sleeves, it's an indication that we're all right with getting our hands dirty, with helping out, pitching in, doing what needs to be done in order to go and grow to the next level in our business. Now, how willing are you to do that? If you are, awesome. Are you willing to dig in? Are you willing to figure out what the next thing is that has to be done? And the real secret is about supersizing and growing our businesses is that it starts with you as the leader of the organization. It starts with you as the head of that organization and the visionary for the organization. Everyone else will do what you do. Not what you say, but what you do. So if you're not willing to roll up your sleeves and do the work, set up the systems, hire the people, train the people, give the people responsibility and authority to take action on behalf of the organization, help them grow and become the better version of themselves as you grow and become an ever improving better version of yourself, then you will find out, surprisingly and much to your dismay in some instances, I could speak to this, that you are the bottleneck of your organization. And how are you going to get out of your own way in order for your business to grow and supersize? I actually really love this idiom. I believe in rolling up my sleeves and hopping in and doing whatever I can to make my business and the world a better place, because that's why my businesses exist. And so I like to work with people that feel the same way, that are willing to do what it takes to do the hard work. Because guess what? Some things in our business come really, really easy for us. Other things, it's like kicking and screaming to the altar for some people. It's hard to do the things that we need to do, even though we know we need to do them, because they're not naturally in our comfort zone. So love to know your take on roll up your sleeves and do what you got to do to make your business better, create the business that you want to see in the world. That's it. That's all I've got today. Traveling, so I'm actually cheating and making this video ahead. If I can help you anyway, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow and build and supersize your business? I would love to know how you've rolled up your sleeves to grow your business this year. Have an awesome day, and I'll be with you tomorrow.